Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. If you search YouTube for how to cancel Cash App subscriptions, almost every video tells you to contact Cash App support. But in this video, we will share 3 simple and working methods to cancel Cash App subscriptions without calling or chatting with support. Let's go step by step and learn how you can cancel your Cash App subscriptions. Method number 1. Cancel using the Activity tab. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your phone. Step 2. Tap on the Activity tab, the clock icon at the bottom. Step 3. Look for the subscription payment that was charged last month. Step 4. Tap on that transaction. Step 5. Tap the 3 dots on the top right corner. Step 6. If you see an option like Cancel Subscription or Block Vendor, tap it. Important. Note, this option is only available for some subscriptions. If you don't see the Cancel button, try Method 2. Method number 2. Contact the vendor directly. Step 1. Find out the company or service that is charging you through Cash App. For example, YouTube or Netflix, etc. Step 2. Visit their official website or app and go to your account or billing section. Step 3. Look for an option to turn off autopay or cancel your subscription. Step 4. Confirm cancellation to stop future payments from your Cash App card. This method is helpful when you don't see any cancel option inside Cash App. Method number 3. Replace your Cash App card. Step 1. Open Cash App and go to the Cash Card section. Step 2. Tap on Report Card Lost or Stolen. Step 3. Follow the steps to block your current Cash App card. Step 4. Request a new Cash Card to be issued. Once your old card is blocked, all subscriptions linked to that card will automatically stop. This is the best way if you want to cancel all active subscriptions at once.